Traders War Room wants to thank the viewer for their continued support on this journey. Please take a look at the description for an overview of video content, also some research topics, and some options for online brokers.
Team, what is up? It's Chuck with Traders War Room back at you with another video. Listen, today is a great day. SNDL blew up. A lot of other stocks blew up too. Some went down and a lot of it was kind of flat for the day. But you know what? When red days are there, we buying, all right? I got a good video for you today. I need you to like, I need you to subscribe, I need you to share, join the face group, be part of the team, be part of this journey. So now, if you're ready, follow me and let's go to war.
Traders War Room wants to remind the viewer that all content on this channel is for entertainment and education purposes only. Everyone is responsible for their own decisions within the stock market. Thank you.
What is up, team? Hey, welcome back. Listen, I'm going to go ahead and give a shout out to everyone that capitalized on today. Listen, it is not a bad idea to secure profits anytime. Green is green, money's money. Get your bank and secure your portfolios, all right? So, no shame in the game. If you secured profits today, good job for you. I want to start off with SNDL, okay? Listen, back in August 2020, this thing hit $13, all right? Right now, it's sitting around 350s, okay? There's a lot of talk about gamma squeezes in the cannabis industry. Weed stocks are booming, okay? We knew they were going to go up with the Biden administration, and we got a lot of them moving, okay? So, be cautious because these stocks were once 27, 20 cents, 19 cents, okay? And they could easily just drop. But for right now, if you're gonna ride the momentum, ride it cautiously and just make sure you guys get out on top, all right? Next thing I wanna talk about, I did a DD post in the Facebook group about EVGN, all right? And I want you guys to really pay attention to this stock. The last stock I really dug deep in and did a whole bunch of DD on was Sava. Okay, you remember that stock? I do, and I made some serious bank, okay? Now, I'm not promising anything with bank, and I'm not promising anything with stocks, okay? Because it's all risky. Everyone has to make their own decision. But listen, all right, EVGN, all 5 of their subsidiaries are in stocks that fall in line with the Biden administration, okay? We're talking about clean energy. We're talking about crops. We're talking about crop ingenuity that's supposed to be clean and environmental friendly. We're talking about weed stocks, okay? We're talking about genetic stocks and biotech, all right? All these stocks have been booming, okay? So I need you to look at this stock, make a decision, and I got in. You know, I'm gonna ride it and see what happens, and I'll post my results in the group.
Look at SNDL today. Congratulations to everyone. That is a pretty chart, man. And it looks as though it might be ready to continue tomorrow. So good luck everyone tomorrow. Let's go get it. This is EVGN. Check out the DD I did on the Facebook group. It's pretty in-depth and it shows some really good catalysts for the stock. A lot of things that are going on with this stock and their subsidiaries are everything that's within this Biden administration. Should be pretty good for the stock in the next few days or coming weeks.
All right, new segment, guys. So listen, comments from the front line. You guys are the front line. You're giving comments. You guys want answers. I'm learning. My team's learning because we got to get you good answers, not just BS answers to get you on your way, okay? So one of the questions, good faith violation, GFV, all right? Depends on your broker, okay? Some brokers, you can get a GFV for trading unsettled funds, just one stock or 2 stocks, okay? Other ones like Webull usually has a $1,000 threshold, okay, of a cash account. Now we're talking about cash accounts and we're talking about unsettled funds. Listen, really the big thing is if you keep your money at the brokerage and you keep it in the stocks, you're good to go, okay? You can day trade and move around and shake and bake with your money, all right? The issue is when you've got unsettled funds, you buy into stock, you sell out of stock, and then you're like, ooh, I got a whole bunch of profit, boom, send it to my bank. You're trying to liquidate your account. that's what's going to draw the good faith violation, okay? So watch out for those, right? But remember, you got to check those, I accept these terms and conditions that we all just kind of click through and so we can get the app and whatever. All that stuff's in there, and you got to check with your individual broker to see what their plan is, all right? Next one, noise in other groups. Got a good comment from somebody. They said, hey, listen, I like Traders War Room because there's not as much noise as the other groups. Listen, we truly want to be genuine in this group. We want to give good information out, and we still want to have fun, yes. So we'll say certain things to the moon, and we'll put some rocket ships and stuff. But if you notice, we're also putting out good information. We're attaching resource documents so that you see something, piques your interest, and you can click on something and go do your own due diligence, all right? That's what it's all about. Growing and learning as a team, as a community, so that we're better today than we were yesterday, all right? And a final comment, I'm up 100, 200, 300% of my account. When do I sell? Listen, I'm always gonna secure profits, okay? If I'm up 300% in a position, I like to sell 50 to 60% of my shares and secure that profit. And I let the other ones ride, all right? Now, if it continues to go up, great. I might buy back in and average up, okay? And so that I can still stay below the price that it's at, but continue to get more shares. But if I start to see it decline, okay, I'm not afraid to pull out because I already secured my profit and covered my loss, if any loss, with my initial gains, okay? So I like to sell out at 300, 100%, 200%, 300%, sell out 50% of my position and let the other ride. So you gotta figure out what's best for you with your risk tolerance, wage in what's the risk and reward benefit for you and make your own decision. But I'm not afraid to do that. Now, some stocks I'll gamble and I'll let it ride, but most of the time, if say I got 500 shares in something and it rides up real quick and I made a really good, 200, 300% profit on these cheaper stocks, I'm gonna pull 50 or 60% of my stock out and just let the other one ride and just not even look at it for a while, all right? So listen, I hope this new segment will be good for the video group, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. And I'm gonna post the pictures of the comments from the people that asked them. All right, so I got asked the other day, what's the difference between averaging up and averaging down, all right? Seems pretty simple, right? Well, not everyone's as advanced or in the know as other things, so we have to reach each individual level. Listen, so averaging up, right? I get into a stock at 50 cents. It rises up to $1.50. I'm buying back in at the higher price, but my average is gonna go from 50 to maybe 75 cents, maybe $1, still underneath the level where it's at, but I'm averaging up to get more shares, all right? Averaging down, so I buy in super high, right, at $2, and the thing tanks down to 50 cents, right? I buy at 50 cents, okay? So I'm at $2, I'm buying at 50 cents, and I buy enough to bring me into the middle, right? And maybe it goes up, or maybe it continues down. If it continues down, we'll get out. Better believe that. But hopefully it goes back up and it's just a dip, right? Or just something happened. And so I'm averaging down to bring my cost of initial entry lower so that I don't have to go as far up to reach break-even point, all right? Or surpass it, okay? So that's averaging up, averaging down. Really need to look at those. It's very important with these penny stocks. It's also important when you're doing dollar cost averaging into your blue chip stocks or your long hold stocks, okay? So averaging up, averaging down. Hope that helps anybody out with any questions on those particular topics. All right, team, that's it. Another video in the books. Market, we're still going strong, all right? Tomorrow's a new day. If you were red today, hopefully it'll be a green day for you tomorrow. And if you're green today, hey, hopefully it's another green day for you tomorrow, okay? So I just want everyone to remember here at Traders War Room, the stock market, that's our war zone, okay? Stocks and sectors, those are our battles, all right? We're attacking, destroying, and conquering the battles together as a team, as a community, okay? So if you're ready, follow me, and let's go to war.